This is JBN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Department of Faculty of Education and Methodology. Program is BCom Honors 3rd Sem. Course is Business Mathematics and Statistics, and session of today is the median. Median is the one kind of central tendency, or in order to get central value, the median is kind of measure of central tendency. Median is the central value of the variable that divide the series into two equal parts in such a way that half of the item lie above the value and remaining half lie below the value. So median is defined as the value of the middle item when the data are arranged in the ascending or descending order of magnitude. Learner, suppose you have plenty of data. In order to find the median, first of all you have to arrange data either of ascending order or descending order of the magnitude of the data. Then its middle value is the median. At the middle value, some data is below of the middle value and other data is above of the value. So this is the median of data. Median of ungrouped data. Thus, in the ungrouped frequency distribution, if the n value are arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude, the median is the middle value of. If n is odd, then when n is even, the median is the mean of the two middle values. If data is ungrouped, there is two ways to find the median. Either these data is even or odd. If number of data is odd, then the exact middle value is the median. If it is even, then the middle two data, average of middle two data is the median of that particular. Suppose we have the following series 15, 19, 21, 7, 10, 33, 25, 18 and 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of data is 9. So 9 is the odd number. So first of all we have to arrange the data in ascending order of its magnitude. So arrange the data of ascending order of magnitude is 5, 7, 10, 15, 18, 19, 21, 25 and 33. Now to find the number is 9. 9 is the odd. So median will be n plus 1 upon 2 th item. N plus 1 upon 2 th item. It means n is equal to 9 plus 1, n plus 1 is equal to 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 5 मीडियन नहीं है, फिफ्थ डाटा. अब असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हम देखेंगे उसको, जो फिफ्थ नंबर का डाटा है that will be the median. If here 9 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to fifth. So fifth item is 18. So 18 is the median, not 5. Fifth data is the median. Example, suppose we have the following series. Here again 15, 19, 21, 7. These are the, I think, 10 data. So we have to first arrange it either ascending or descending order. So arranging this data into the ascending order. And now the series consists of the even number. Series is even, n is equal to 10. So in this case, median is not a middle number but average of two middle numbers. Average of two middle number is here middle data, middle find 5.5. This is not, but we have to, in this case now the series consists even number of item. To find out the value of middle item, we use the formula where n is the number of item. In this case n is 10, so it is 5.5. that is the size of 5.5th item is the median. जबकि मीडियन में फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म हो ही नहीं सकती है। जो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में डाटा है उनका नंबर या तो पहला टर्म होगा, दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा इंटीजर फॉर्म में होगा। दिस इज द फॉर्म इज नॉन इंटी दिस इज फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म। सो वी हैव टू टेक द एवरेज ऑफ द वैल्यू of fifth and sixth item. Here we have to averaging fifth and sixth item and add fifth and sixth item divided by 2. That will be the average of both item. That will be the median in this case. Or in grouped data, whenever frequency is considered, in this case the grouped series, the median is calculated with the help of the following formula. Median is equal to L plus ny2 minus frequency f upon f into I. L is the lower limit of median class, PC of previous cumulative frequency of the median class, f is the frequency of median class, I is equal to size of median class, total number of observation of the total of the frequency. So here one example is given. So here marks is given in one column and corresponding frequency in another column, mark and frequency. So first of all we have to add the frequency, that was the cumulative frequency, 10 plus 20, 10 10 plus 20 30, 30 plus 30 60, 60 plus 50 118. In same manner this is the cumulative frequency. So from the size of n by 2 item, it is 90th item. So we mark the this class 90th is equal to 110th class. Cumulative frequency will include 90th is equal to 110 class, corresponding to 110 is equal to 30 to 40. 30 to 40 class is the class of this for calculation of this corresponding. So 30 to 40, 50 and 110. Here 30 is the lower limit, 50 is equal to frequency, or 60 is equal to before previous of cumulative frequency, 110 is the median class. Putting this value in the formula, or we get the median 36. So I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you very much. See you again.